Drowning in departmental files, AI File Pro instantly organizes and finds what matters. See the difference? Left, 61 scattered documents. Right, AI File Pro organizes them intelligently by case, category, and type. Find what you need 50% faster. AI File Pro automatically organizes your files into intelligent folder structures and populates metadata columns in SharePoint, like document type and date, in seconds. Achieve 99.9% search accuracy across your enterprise. Watch AI File Pro automatically organize your SharePoint files with intelligent metadata, client name, ID, status, confidentiality level. Navigate effortlessly through structured folders, faster searches, cleaner audits, consistent data. Watch AI File Pro automatically organize your files in real time. It analyzes documents, creates intelligent summaries, and builds a perfectly structured folder hierarchy with descriptively renamed files, all in seconds. See the chaos? AI File Pro transforms disorganized files into perfectly organized, searchable documents instantly.